So we continue our development, and we work on the client side and the blog side. So let's just go back to the back end. That is what our clients say about us, which is testimonial. So go to testimonial. These are different testimonial. You can modify it. Ask your client to get testimonial for you from the work they have done. Testimonial is very good part of the website because it makes people trust the client more. So my client gave me information that the Honorable Ismail Jebe, he worked for them on plant, and they say something like, I have checked your work and everything is okay. The water is running and clean. Thanks. So I can update it now. So you can scroll down. The designation of the person that you work for, maybe it's essay to Governor of Lagos State. So in where Lagos State, you give us 5-star, and we don't need featured image here. I will just click on update. So after everything, you can preview the website. Let's preview the website to check the testimonial. So we scroll down. So the only one that we change, let's check it, maybe is there. Hola, which is this? So your own is just that change all other testimonial and modify it to the content. I will change that. So on the blog now, let's work on the blog. So I will teach you how you can add a blog to your post. The plumber or your client now want to be writing content about what he's doing. So blog is the best option, so you can be writing content about it for easy searching online. And these are just template blog that WordPress installed for us. So you can add new post here. So on the add new post, you can decide to create your blog with page builder or design library. So but I just want to use the normal text editor provided by WordPress. So I want to write this blog post, 5 reasons you should call a professional plumber. So I have a content, I copy some content online, which I will just paste here. Control V. So if you can check it, this is the content of the 5 reasons why you should hire a professional plumber. So and this side now, let's assume I want to insert image between the text. The first place, this place I want to insert an image. I will just click here and I'll click this plus icon. These are different options of element that you can install, that you can insert to your website. But I just want an image, I will just search image. So this image, I will click on it, and it asks me to choose from the library or as to upload. I have some image in the library which I will just choose. So I will just choose this image. I click select it, and it's inserted to the blog post already. See it here. So you can insert anything that you want to insert. You can insert paragraph. You can insert another heading like this. I want to make this heading. Scroll down. This now is heading already. Head is 3. So if I want to change it to is 2, I can just click on it here, make it bigger. You can bold elements. So just click here, explore different element that is there, and build it in your own way. So this side is very important. You click on this setting icon, and you choose post. So your post category, like the category of the post, you should create that. So post category, if there's no any category here, so you can no category yet. Your tag, just tag it anything, plumber, if you want to tag another thing, just put comma between the tagging. Professional contact plumber in Nigeria. This tag make it easy for people to quickly search your post on Google. So yeah, now we have our category. I think it's loading that time. So the category is for plumbing tips, something like that. And I scroll down to featured image. This is very important. This is the image that will display in the front and side that the user will see. So I select the image, this one. I set it as featured image. So the featured image is here. So there's nothing else. You can explore every other thing that you can do in the website. It depends. These are some options that you can modify about your heading. Maybe you want your heading to display the page title. I will explore that later. So but what I just want to do now is that I will publish the post. Yeah, publish the post. You can view the post here and just open it in another tab. And let's reload our website so we can see the different posts that is available. So I will just purge all the posts to display here. Yeah, so this is the preview of the blog post. This is our featured image, and this is the contents of the post. See now you can be reading it. It's everything mobile responsive. You can decide to share it on social media, Facebook, Twitter, everything. Your visitor can decide to leave a comment and post the comment. This is the comment good post by admin, which is me. And see the main site. Scroll down. In our blog page we have this latest blog, 5 reasons to call a plumber. So you can, these are the plug installed by the templates, so you can modify them, you can add your own blog to it, and it's good way of promoting the website SEO, so it can easily be searched online and people can easily view the site. So I will modify everything here, and now we work with the footer in the next video.